Assalamualaikum and hi guys, my name is Nusaibah from 3 Janatul Firdaus. Today I want to share with all of you how to make a basket using a newspaper. So enjoy! First of all, prepare the necessary items to make a basket such as newspaper, strong glue, a thin stick, scissors or cutter, a set of poster color, paintbrush and 2 circles of cardboard. Then cut the newspaper in half and wrap each and every stick with the newspaper. Remember, the number of sticks required depends on the size of the basket. Apart of that, take the circle and glue the sticks around it and attach another one of stick at angle. After that, combine the other circle above this and place something heavy until it sticks. Next, using the extra sticks, going over and under the sticks all the way around. Besides that, add a drop of glue and insert another sticks. Continue weaving till the basket is of desired height. On the other hand, use pins to hold, cut the extra length and apply glue. Last but not least, you can leave it like this or paint it with your favorite color and wait until it dry. The basket is done. Benefits of recycled unwanted things are protecting ecosystem and wildlife, recycling reduces pollution and conserve natural resources.